Cambridge students are spectacularly well prepared for success in their first year or two, which of course launches them into the more specific work in their major. Students have a semester or a year of work under their belts that they're demonstrating mastery of. They've shown that they're ready for the first year of college. The Cambridge curriculum has a really strong focus on analysis, on synthesis, and on communication. And if those are skills your faculty members value at your institution, they're going to find those in Cambridge students. We should accept Cambridge exams for credit because the data suggests very strongly that those exams are at least as good as exams from other sources that we already accept. And there's some further data that suggests that the equity and inclusion and access aspects of what Cambridge is doing is a further reason for us to want to embrace those credits. I'm really excited about the possibility of wider adoption of a curriculum that does for more students what Cambridge has done for students who are already learning in that curriculum. We're seeing faster rates of graduation, we're seeing probably lower student loan debt, we're seeing students being able to get on to the next thing in their lives, working or going to graduate school or professional school. That's critically important for students, especially students who come from first-generation backgrounds or from backgrounds where they don't have the resources to just keep plugging away. We want them in, we want them to explore, we want them to learn, we want them to go on and make the contributions that we know they can make to society. And if there's a high school curriculum that leads to better outcomes for those students, then why wouldn't we embrace it?